Now this is an incredibly special Defender 110. It's a P400e XS edition, which as a standalone car is a great vehicle, fantastic spec, great engine, 2 litre petrol, but then with an electric motor which can do up to 30 miles of pure battery range. It's a 71 plate, done 45,000 miles, but then it's had a full exterior overhaul, including black satin wrap, wide arches, 22s, black pack. And when you have a look at the closer detail, it's been done very, very well because they've kept the contrast between the gloss black wheel arches and gloss black features. Then you've got that full satin exterior, you've got the ladders, you've also got the side box on the side as well, functional pod lights. Now on top of that, an XS edition in my opinion comes with everything you'd possibly need. Sliding pan roof, heated seats, cooled seats, you've even got a refrigerator underneath the armrest. Then on top of that, it's had the upgraded screen, so you've got the larger media screen plus an electronic deployable tow bar, and then they come with air suspension as standard. So this is a very, very special car, very rare one, and then it's got that full exterior styling to go with it. So if you have a look closer, you'll notice the gloss back details on the bonnets, you've got it on the wide arches, upgraded 22s, they're in a satin finish as well, so multi-spokes. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, but this look is what a lot of people try and go for when they do look at Defender 110s. Now we sell a lot of them week in, week out because they're a very practical car, very good looking car and a very cool car at the same time as well. Now with it being the XS, you get everything. So if you have a look at the rear, it's a very spacious 5-seater, but then you've got lots of finer details. So if I jump in, they do make a perfect family car because if you have a look at the smaller features, you've got USB chargers on the back of the passengers and the driver's seat. Sliding pan roof, which is a nice option. Some of them come with a fixed roof or no roof at all, but this one has the sliding pan roof with it being the XS. Then when we get to the back, you'll notice that the style just continues. You've got the side ladders, huge fixed rear spoiler, rear wheel cover. Then to the rear, you'll notice you've got your charging cables, so you can run this purely as an electric car, do up to 30 miles of range, then you've got the petrol as a backup, or you can just run it as a petrol if you wish. There's a couple of benefits to that. One of them being, if you are buying it in a company name, there'll be financial benefits with the lower benefit in kind and so on. And then you'll also have other benefits with, if you are looking for a car where you want lower fuel economy, you can charge it at work, you won't have to use it. But then the practical side of things, if you want to go on a longer journey, then you can do. Electric deployable tow bar with air suspension. Now those two go hand in hand. If you are going to tow something, air suspension will come in handy, and then air suspension also comes in handy if you are going to load that with whatever it might be, suitcases, luggage, shopping. So that's going to save you a lot of money, about £3,500 from aftermarket if you want an electronic deployable tow bar. Side box, which I mentioned earlier, again all in gloss back, so it keeps that contrast of the satin with the black. Now have a look at the interior. So traditionally an XS comes with the smaller media screen in the centre, which from an honest opinion is probably the only thing that needs changing on the interior of a normal XS, but then this one has had that done. So you've got the larger screen, and then the spec on an XS is just fantastic. So if I start it up, and I'll try and fit all this in for you. So petrol engine, 2 litre petrol. You've then got a hybrid mode, battery mode, whichever mode you want to flick between. Now on the steering wheel, you're going to have heated wheel, lane keep assist, cruise control. Digital display behind you there's got your navigation, traffic sign recognition, all your media and whatnot will come up in there as well. ClearSight rear view camera, standard on the XS, so that's a HD camera which comes from the rear. Underneath the armrest, you've got a refrigerator, you've also got your wireless charging pad. Air suspension control from this panel, as well as your heated seats, cooled seats, and that larger screen for me does make a massive difference. You've got navigation, media, telephone, and then if I pop it in reverse, you'll have aerial view, 3D mode, there's even a towing camera mode as well. Sliding pan roofs, I'll show you what that looks like open. So for me, this car is missing absolutely nothing. It's got the exterior styling, interior spec, it's got that nice combination of engine, so if you are someone who maybe, whether you do a lot of miles or not, it'll work either way. So if you do short miles, you can run it as a battery. If you do longer miles, run it as a petrol. So fantastic car, very special. It's probably one of the most unique ones we've had in for a long time. So if you want to have a chat about how you can buy it, funding options, part exchanges, questions, whatever it might be, feel free to contact me direct. My name's Paddy. You'll find my number. Give me a call. I'll answer any questions that you've got.